Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I got a great video for you all about personalization in your Shopify store. I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to do it and why you're going to want to do it. And there's a lot of different benefits of personalization. And you really need to stand out when it comes to Shopify stores. There's lots of different Shopify stores out there, a lot of them using the same type of theme. So we really want to make it as easy as possible for us to stand out. Shopify has made it very easy to get up and running. That's great, but we need to differentiate our store, and adding personalization to your Shopify store is something that a lot of people haven't really figured out yet. But there are some significant benefits from doing it. You're going to increase your conversion rate. You're going to see a higher average order value, right? People spending more money per order. You're going to get an increase in return customer rate. You're going to see an increase on time on site, right? People are going to literally spend more time on your site because you're going to have more engaging content. You're going to have content, text, products, recommendations that are very specific to each individual customer. And that is really something that doesn't come right out of the box with Shopify. We need to implement an app to do this, especially when we want it to be data driven. We want to leverage all the data that Shopify has. Then we want to personalize our store or our store experience for our customers through that data. So data integration is very important when it comes to choosing an app. We need to have an app that's going to be able to pull in all different types of data to give us that true personalization. And some apps can be technologically challenging, hard to get this to work with all of your different kind of themes and apps. But I'm going to show you how to do this the right way, and that is to use Froomle. And you see the link directly below this video. I highly recommend them. I'm going to show you over the shoulder just how powerful they are. But this is the easiest way and really the most powerful way to get personalization into your Shopify store with really just a few clicks of your mouse. You're looking at Froomle, and you see the link right below this description, Froomle.ai. And this is an incredibly powerful addition to your Shopify store, to your overall marketing efforts. It's a really powerful way to include personalization, and they talk about creating a seamless customer experience. I'm going to show you some of the powerful examples of what you can do, but I first want to call attention to this massive 40-day free trial. Huge. You're going to see the results of Froomle, the actual dollars and cents that you're going to make from the additional personalization and engaging aspects of your website within that 40-day free trial for sure. So it's going to absolutely prove its worth without you spending $1 on it. So make sure you get this in your store. You see the link below the video. You can take a look at the video on their site, really kind of just walking you through what's going to happen. But I'm going to go over really the main things that you want to focus on when you're coming over here. And first of all, the Froomle kind of Shopify app is going to deal with all of the data integration that you need. So as soon as you sign up and integrate Froomle into your Shopify store, you get that 40-day free trial. It makes the connection into all of your data points automatically. So it's going to have what they call first-party data. In Shopify's case, it's going to be all the Shopify sales data, Shopify customer data, Shopify order data. All of that information is now going to be usable inside of Froomle. Doesn't need any technical skill at all. It's just really a couple of clicks to make that connection into your Shopify store. You're going to be able to then have the AI in Froomle do its magic. What's going to happen is it's going to start making matches, right? It's going to look at the data and say, okay, this customer purchased this product. They're probably going to be likely to purchase this product. Or they took this journey to become a customer. Here's a typical next step for a repeat customer. And these are just literally a couple of examples here. There's all these different integrations that can kind of take your sales to the next level because of that data integration. Again, we have the information coming from the shop directly. So we have the data, right? The entire database of Shopify integrated into Froomle. Then we get the different modules and journeys and actions that are needed to take revenue to the next level, right? This isn't just about having nice data and putting it into the app. It's about taking it, putting it to work, and ensuring that with these different modules, we're going to have that one-to-one personalization that works so well. And I'll show you more examples as we go on. That's how we're going to see that increased revenue. We're going to get the smart personalization strategy through Froomle, where we're going to have automatic AI recommendations and settings created for or leveraging the data that we've gotten in that first step. Totally scalable as well, right? The more data, the better, actually, because we're going to even have more ways to personalize. But really, on the kind of overall sense, the reason that Froomle works so well, it's granular data collection, meaning one-to-one personalization. We're going to be making data-driven decisions, and not in a general sense, on a one-to-one individual basis. So every single person could potentially see a different style of page, different style of copy, different products presented, etc., when you have all of this data at hand. And again, using that one-to-one personalization. So we have different pricing over here. Again, you're gonna get that 40-day free trial. Really just kind of use this slider over here. You're gonna be able to see kind of how many module requests you can expect. And the modules are really kind of the meat of what goes into your site. And I'll show you a few more examples. Really, really great team behind Froomle as well. Really great algorithm. Now I wanna show you the Froomle modules. I'm up over here under product, and specifically talking to a lot of my students doing Shopify. We're gonna wanna come over here and first select channel, Shopify. This is going to, of course, show the modules that are easily available through Shopify's integration with Froomle, and they're all really powerful. I'm gonna talk about some of the most powerful ones. Really, really like Discover for You. When we're talking about a catalog like, let's say print on demand, right? If you have a print on demand catalog, you're gonna have lots of different products, but they're all gonna be based on a specific niche. So you know that your entire catalog can be purchasable really by any person that visits the site. They might, if they land on one product, they might just not land on the one that they love, but your catalog might have other ones that are really going to make them take their credit card out of their pocket. Long story short, personalized product discovery module is going to allow you to make your catalog more easily viewable and have your kind of breadth of products really be showcased here to hopefully find that product that is going to either be the one that makes them actually take their credit card out and purchase, or if they're already in a purchasing mode, maybe add another product into their cart and increase that average order value, or that customer average order value right there, to make a bit more money. So that's a really solid one over here. Going back over to the Shopify filter, that was the Discover for You module. Next on the list, or these are all great, but really most popular, if you have a product that is, your head and shoulders winner, and you're driving traffic to other products, and maybe those will sell, maybe they won't, but you have a little module here showcasing your most popular products, the ones that really get the highest conversion rate. You're going to really capitalize on every single penny that you spend in terms of generating traffic into your site, right? If you can drive them to any product, but you could also have the module showcasing your most popular products, most popular being the ones that AKA convert the highest, make you the most money. Related products, this is an easy one, right? A lot of themes don't have related products built in. The module over here is going to allow you to do that very quickly. Combined with that, recently viewed, you see Amazon doing this all the time. Literally, instead of showing related products, it's a similar layout, a similar module. It's just showing products that they had viewed in the session. So saying, okay, great, I browsed a bunch of products. That second one that I liked was the best, but maybe I don't remember it, or maybe I've clicked through so many that I don't want to go back, or I can't find it. You see it in the recently viewed module. Really, really easy money right there. Very powerful one as well. Talking about money, this is probably, in my opinion, the highest ROI. When you install the app, you're going to want to set this one up immediately. This is all about getting more product in the cart, AOV, average order value, making more money per sale, with the idea that we have people that are, nearing the finish line here. We're going to try to get them across that finish line and make as much money from them as we can with that sale. Recommended for You is great, especially when you have a lot more kind of traffic and data to really understand exactly who your customers are and what they're going to want. And featured collection is pretty solid as well. This is great for something like your newly released products, where you're going to showcase something, or even a selection just like bestsellers, really doubling down on those winners again to capitalize on every single penny of traffic. So you've got a bunch of these over here. Definitely take a look at cart overview recommendations, which kind of uses that idea of most popular to add on or to increase that average order value. And each of these modules, they talk about where they're going to be displayed. In this case, I set the filter for Shopify, but you'll see the goal, right? AOV, conversion, loyalty, conversion, engagement, right? Again, Discover for You, super important for print-on-demand stores, for drop shipping stores, but all of these are really valuable. And these are all the meat of kind of the features, really the reason why you're going to use Froomle. So I highly recommend Froomle. You're going to love it. Make sure you grab your 40-day free trial. You see the link directly below this video. Froomle is going to really give you that one-to-one personalization that will directly increase your conversion rate and make your store more money. So again, highly recommend it. Check it out. There's some more videos on the website if you want to learn more. Otherwise, just jump right into it. You got 40 days to make money with Froomle. And I know this is going to help you do exactly that. Make some more money with your store. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope this helps you out, and I'll talk to you real soon.